Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel once again, and today I have bought a subject maths of topic contains sets, types of sets. This is my part 2 of video. The first part is about what is set, so my second part is about types of sets. What are different types of sets? This is our question, and this answer is empty set, a set containing no element. It is denoted by a simple bracket or empty sign. For example, see the example: b is equal integers between 0 and 1, or b is equal empty bracket. First of all, we understand what is integers. From backward, -2, -1, 0, 0, 1, 2, and so on is our integers in infinite numbers from here, in negative and infinite numbers from positive. 0 is our mainly used in positive, and it is not of negative or positive thought. So this is our integer now. And back to our lesson. Empty bracket, this is called empty bracket or empty sign. Empty sign is like that. This is called our empty sign. Integers between 0 and 1. See, there is another number between 0 and 1. No, so it is called it is, then our answer will be empty. B is equal empty. If we write this way or this way, this shows our empty set sign. Finite set. Finite means limit or limited. A finite set is a set that containing only a finite number of elements. A finite means limited. A finite set is a set that contains only a limited number of elements. Limited means a sequence of number, a readable numbers, conceptual numbers, not infinite, unlimited. See the example: c is equal a square number x less than 20, or c is equal 1, 4, 9, 6. These numbers are dead numbers which we have to can be scared. These numbers are used for scaring. And x less than 20, it means from 1 to 20 how much numbers are in the square root sequence. So we will write here. If we write in statemental example, a statemental bracket set or simple numeric set, both shows our finite set. And now we have infinite set. Infinite means un unlimited or limited. A set which is not finite means that which set is not limited is called infinite set. See the example: a is equal integers from 13. We have learned that integers are these. From means here is a 13 and above to 13, means they do not tell the required value. So from 13 to upward, or if we write a is equal 1, 13 to 13, 14, 15 and to upwards, these both bracket shows our infinite set. Disjoint sets, the two sets which have no common element, means there is a two set, they provide two sets, and they one of set do not equals to or have any common element from other set. See example: f is equal 2, 3, 4, and g is equal 6, 7, 8. Both sets are not have any common set, so we will call it disjoint sets. Overlapping, two sets which have at least one common element, means there is a one common element from both sets. So that set A contains also that element, and set B also contain a that element. So we call that these are overlapping sets, means at least one common element will we have in in our two sets, so we will call overlapping set. Let's see example: k is equal to 3 4 and l is equal 4 6 9. See, 4 and 4 here is our common, so we can call at least one common, so we can call overlapping. If see the example number 2, m is equal 1 to 3 and n is equal to 3 1 2 3 4. If we have more than one element and more than one element also common, so it will be included in overlapping set. Equivalent sets: a set which have an equal numbers of elements. Equivalent sets need not have exactly the same elements. It means that equal number sequence will be contained on both sets, so we will call it overlapping. Overlapping sets have no need of common elements, same elements. See example: p is equal 1 4 6 and r is equal abc. See, 1 4 6 are three elements. A, B, C is equal to three elements. Both contains three elements, so we call that this is our equivalent set. And second example is y is equal planets in solar system. Means there are eight planets in our solar system, and that is equal natural numbers less than 9. I have told you in last video that what is natural numbers. Natural numbers is that numbers which starts is from 1 and to upwards, while the whole number is which starts from 0. So natural number is from 1 to 9, less than 9, less than 9. So then we do not write 9 in our solution, so we write 1 to 8 only. And see, here 8 and here 8 are both same equal numbers of elements, so we can call this is our equivalent sets. Okay, next we see equal sets. Sets which contain the same elements. Means same elements, all the elements are same with other set, so we call that set equal set. For example, g is equal even numbers. I have told you that even what are even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which will divisible by 2, multiplies of 2, and j is equal multiplies of 2. See, that is our second bracket. These both sets are equal. Even numbers and multiplies of 2's are equal, so we can call that this is our equal set. Next we have universal set, a set which contains all sets under consideration. Means a universal set is a king of both sets which are provides. There will three sets provides universal: a and b. A and b contains any value. See example: J is equal January, June, July, and A is equal April and August. Are these sets under consideration? Means like king do considerations on their peoples, on their soldiers, whatever. So this is universal set. Months of years are universal set. And June, July, June, July, January, April, August are its sets, and so we call them this is our universal set. Our last point is subset. A set that is fully contained in a bigger set. Means there is a bigger set and a smaller. Both sets are contained in our question. The bigger set is called the superset. The bigger set, which is the bigger set, is called superset. It is this contained in subset. See the example: A is equal 2 4 6 is a subset of B, and B is equal 2 3 4 5 6 7, and B is the subset of A. Means A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. If we represent it, so it is represented by it. It is represented as A subset B. A is a subset of B, and B superset A, and B is a superset of A. Means B is a bigger set of A and A only the subset of B. signs shows set sign, subset, and this sign shows superset. There is an solving example. These examples majority used in 5 to middle or metric classes, but these are from above 9 10 or those classes whose will be able to kept a subject of math. So see solving example. A is equal 2 4 6, then subsets of A are, if we solve it, so then our solution will be like this empty set. Then we have separately write all elements in bracket. 2 4 6 are our elements of question, so we will write it separately. Then 2 4 2 6 4 6, then we have a compared of that of elements that will be written together with each other, and then we will write all the elements together. This set is also called a proper set. Subset is also called a proper set, and this is our subset. I hope you will understand my video and clear your concepts. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. I want your support, and please supporting me. Allah Hafiz.